Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to create hole on your windows. Okay, this is an example where I create hole onto my windows. Okay, so for this one, we can use the aluminum doors and windows. Okay, you can go to customize function. And then you can go to aluminum doors and windows, get into that customize function first. Okay, so let's say I put on the next wall, okay, to this wall. So just double click on your wall. Okay, just double click on the wall. Okay, this one is the where I created just now. It's okay, we just move on the right side. Okay, just take out one outer frame. Bring out one outer frame, drag and drop, and then you can adjust the length and width. So let's say here I set it for 2500. Okay. So in order to create the hole, like what we have done, like what I have done on to my left side here, okay, you click on the frame just now in the center, right click, and then you click to open hole opening. Okay. So under open hole opening, you're able to choose the circle shape, or you can press C for the shortcut key, or you can press R for rectangle. Okay, so let's say I set it for circle shape first. Okay, right click to cancel, and then if you want to move around, click on it and then you move. Okay, and then let's say if you want to have a bigger radius. Okay, when you click on this, you will have the base parameter, okay, which you can change the radius here onto this part. Okay, so for me, I'll just remain as 200. And then let's say I take out one rectangle shape at the bottom. Okay, just put it on the bottom, right click to cancel, and then you click to the shape to change the size. Okay, so let's say here the width, I set it for 700. Okay, set it on the base parameter, and then you move the shape. Okay, just hold on the shape and then you move. Okay, so you can adjust the distance on your right side. Okay, the distance from your left side. Okay, whichever you want. Okay, put it in the center. Okay, so let's say here I adjust to 800, and then the width I set it for maybe 300. Let's try. Okay, and then after you have put the shape, okay, after you have put the position, you can click on save. Okay, and then you will have this one, glass opening and notch update successful. So when you click on complete, okay, when you click complete, there you will have it, the hole onto your windows. Okay, we have circle shape and rectangle shape. Right, so that is all from me. Thank you.